This is a recap for Wednesday, September 25th, and it was a green day today. And depending on how we want to score this, because it was kind of challenged, as I was challenged today as to how we mark it up in the room. And it's a good question. Typically, your goal is, 2 points for the conservative trader, 1.75 or better, he hits it its goal, and less conservative traders, 4 points. And in reviewing, I stopped marking the chart here because we were up money, conservative trader hit goal, and the less conservative trader gave it all back and then got in the negative. And I think that was typically how we would stop marking up the chart. But in having a stop loss goal for the less conservative trader, with his goal being 4, it's usually 2 times what his goal is, which would make it 8 points, which means that had we marked up the second trade for a loss of 3 that it was, he would only been down 6.5 points, and then another multiple of 9 points would have been made up until 11 o'clock. So here would have knocked that off, putting us down 3.5. Here would have put us down a couple of ticks, and here would have put us up 2.5 points for the day. So depending on how you want to look at it, from a conservative point of view, you may have stopped trading if you gave it back, and then took a hit, and then got into the negative territory. In the stop loss strategy that we do explain sometimes is that if the conservative trader doesn't hit goal and we get down 4 points, the conservative trader's knocked out, and if we get down 8 points, the less conservative trader's knocked out. We don't get into negative territory very often with the easy traders, so we run into this little controversial as to when to stop trading or not. From a conservative point of view, you would have stopped here. The less conservative view, you would have traded on until you got into the positive, which would have been here, and the end of the broadcast, which would put you up 2.5 points for the less conservative trader. You decide what you think is the best way to do it. This is the way I played it today. On many days, I trade it just like this. If the less conservative trader gives it back and gets into the negative, we usually quit marking up the chart. But again, his stop loss goal would typically be twice what his goal is. His goal is 4 points, so that would have been 8. And if we were to played it that way, that would have been the outcome of the trades today. We're going to have a great day, so look at it how you want. Conservative traders still at goal with 1.75 points. Everyone have a great day. We'll see everybody tomorrow. Bye-bye.